installed our first robot in 2010, I believe, and it improved our output by almost 500%. We are a turnkey shop. We can take care of everything from machining the part to coating the part to inspecting the part. We run parts 31-inch diameter all the way down to a 1/4 inch in diameter. Anything and everything the customer needs. So the one thing that everybody gets a kick out of is our robots. You're not going to see very many, if any, machine shops that have robotics in their shop. So all of these robotic cells we put together and designed ourselves. Jeff, our robot guy, he's put all this together. So we did the automatic doors on the machines, we did the robots. The whole process was programmed here. It used to take one man to run each of these 2 machines. Now it takes one man to run 6 machines. All he has to do is fill the conveyor up. It has a sensor on the end that stops it. So we have automatic doors. Right now it's blowing all the shavings and any debris off the part and the chuck. It's going to grab the parts in the machine. It already has one in its other arm. Now it's cleaning the chuck off to make sure there's no debris, and the next part that goes in will sit in there correctly. And it's going to set that part that it picked up off of this conveyor in there. Now what it does over here, you want to just, there's a small table here. What it's going to do is set the part on it, and it's going to pick it up from the bottom so that it can flip it over. And then it's going to take that part and put it in this machine to do the second side. And right now it's on slow motion for you. And it's going to take the finished part and set it on this conveyor here. And the conveyor will move it down. It's going to grab the next one. There's a lot more that goes into doing this machining parts than most people think.